found a $10 square coffee table, or as a side table for a living room or something like that, and I am finally getting around to flipping it. It's a hot day. The garbage really stinks, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into some bags because it reeks. So if you're here because of the title of the video, it is true, I did get laid off from my job last year, and honestly the part that hurt the most was that I was actually on maternity leave, and I guess my job was restructuring, which I suppose is the loophole for letting go of someone on maternity leave. But without going into any details, I wanted to stay at home with my son anyways. So this is me figuring out how I can make some money for my family, and I'm furniture flipping. Definitely experimenting, seeing if this is something that could be sustainable, and please consider following along. This is how it started. This is where it's at. Don't want this flip to look orange. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do maybe like start with like a whitewash, and then I'll do a watered down stain coat, and then that'll be the top. And then I'm trying to decide whether to do either green, yellow, or beige. All this time I was going to do green, but now I'm unsure. So I'm just going to start by sanding these down, not down to this level, but just give it a nice scuff sand so that the paint adheres better. Okay, let's get the paint. I realize it's not the best form to add the legs after just painting the body of this piece, but I was feeling a bit eager getting this listed because I have the dresser that it's sitting on to get to, and I am trying to move furniture out. So unless it was actually affecting the quality, which I don't think it did, I am going to expedite this process and add legs. It's the next day. The body, everywhere that I've painted is dry. Everything's attached. For a while there, I thought that I was going to leave the top bare, but have like a protective coat over top. But I think the consensus with some of the people that I've talked to, and I think I agree, is that I'm going to stain it. And I'm going to stain it because I think it'll sell better. I personally like it the way that it is, but I'm flipping for profit. So I'm going to do what I think people will like more. So I'm going to do the stain and then the poly coat, and then I'm going to list it. It's the next day. It is Saturday, and I'm seeing here, I don't know if you can see that, the top has a bit of gray. I feel like, I don't know if that's from the way that I sanded it, if it's from the whitewash that I did, but right now I'm basically going to try to put the poly coat on, so the protective coat on the top. I'm gonna scuff sand this, sand it down a bit, or like the light sand before the poly coat. Put on the poly coat, and I'm hoping it's going to take care of some of the discoloration. I feel like any experienced furniture flipper out there might be yelling at their screen right now, but we're flipping for profit. Someone out there is going to love this. So just trying to get things in and out, in and out. And then I have this massive cabinet situation next. And then I bought an ottoman to reupholster. So we're furniture flipping. We're like a little assembly line. But this video is about the table, so let's get to it. So I just did the first coat. I'm gonna wait a bit for that to dry, scuff sand it, and then a second coat, and then I'll bring it inside to stage for listing. So I'm gonna list it, I think, for $140. I'm in Canada, so $140 Canadian dollars. If I'm getting like a bunch of messages, if I'm getting like a ton of messages for it, I might take it down and relist it in like a week from now, or in like a couple days, and put it up to maybe 160. However, I don't think that's gonna happen. Once this dries, I'm gonna take it upstairs and I'm gonna take some staging photos. I'm going to list it, and you will see the update on what I listed it for, how it did, what I sold it for. I'm going to put that in the pinned comment below, so it'll be relevant and updated. So I'm going to list this for 140. I'm going to start with 140, and then you'll see the update in the pinned comment. I will let you know there.